welcome back to my channel. So today I was organizing my 5-drawer IKEA Alex unit, and I was just organizing like my polishes and stuff and like nail tools, because I bought two 5-drawer IKEA units. I bought one for makeup and I bought one for my nail stuff because I like to play with both. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos of more like designing stuff, and I recently did my nails myself, and I added some glitter. Here's some glitter on the ring finger one. I tried to do a little bit of a marbling effect with some glitter, but it turned out a little different than what I was envisioning. But still, I used that glitter right here actually. And this glitter I actually found in all of my scrapbooking supplies, all my old scrapbooking supplies. I was organizing a closet and I found these. I'm like, oh my god, I can use these on my nails since I'm not doing like any scrapbooking stuff right now. And I seen that a lot of nail techs start off with, like, you know, the Michales glitter and stuff, and that is actually where I purchased these, at the Michales dollar spots years ago. So I am going to organize them in this. This one I actually ordered on Amazon last year, and I'm going to put these in there as well because the pots are obviously different. So this is the Michales one, and then this one is from the one from Amazon. And I just want to keep everything kind of uniform in my storage system. So I'm just gonna, I know it's not a lot of glitter, but I'm gonna put them into these pots in this case. And what I like about this case is all the pots are exactly the same size, but it comes with a lid. So it's like a nice storage little stuff. All right, so just pop this off and you have your little jars, and there's a little protective sleeve. I'm gonna hold on to that. So they open up like this. Okay, and then closing them back up. See, that way everything is one size. And I don't have like different sizes going on in my drawers. And everything will fit nicely because I can grow my glitter collection, grow my Swarovski crystal collection, any acrylics or anything like that that I mix myself. I can probably put in these jars as well and keep them all separated in their own little boxes. So that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna go ahead and move everything onto here. Now these things don't have names, so I'm just going to go by maybe size or just color. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go by color. Gonna go in rainbow order because the one from Michales is a much finer glitter, and the one from Amazon is like little hexagons, like smaller hexagons, not medium. I don't think that's a medium, but it does have, it is mixed with a fine. So this one's a mixture of fine glitter and medium hexagons. Now in here, I'm gonna actually pull these out. These two look exactly the same, and I can't remember if the box these two came opened and then I just ended up, you know, putting the glitters back here, like picking it up, scooping it up and putting it back. I think I might have done that because I know, because I had ordered 2 sets of these boxes of glitters, but the other box was all destroyed. It all mixed together. It was so annoying. And with all the colors mixed together, this is what I just saved. I saved 2 little jars of all those colors mixed together that were in another box. Yeah, that was annoying. and they didn't give me my money back. So rude, but it's okay, whatever. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in here. So I guess you'll just watch. This is what the tray looks like. So I have all of my little glitters in here, but I still have 8 more. But I don't know, like the black, I don't feel like I'll use that much. I don't know. And then with these, I mean, I might as well have them all in jars, right? Yeah. All right. So I need to get another one of these so that I can complete them all. Alright, so I have some more jars here. I'm just going to dump these in. Now these jars I got from my other tray where I wanted to fill it up little by little with Swarovski crystals, but I need the room for the glitter for now, so I guess I'll have to mix these in with those jars. I mean, it's going to be a while before I buy more like Swarovski because they're actually expensive. So, just to keep everything uniform, I will have to mix my glitters and my Swarovski crystals in that tray for now. And then once I buy more, I can always get buy another tray. Is all the glitters now potted in these uniform pots. You can find these on Amazon. You can also find them on AliExpress and Michaels. Maybe even Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. But I got mine off of Michaels. I'll probably have to buy more because I didn't think it was gonna fill up so quickly. Well, I didn't even know I had the glitters first of all, so I only bought 2 sets, and then I found these. I didn't remember about the glitters. Like, I was just going through my scrapbook and stuff, cleaning up house, and I was like, oh my god, I'm not scrapbooking right now, so I can use them for my nails. So yeah, so that is everything. So for now, I'm just gonna place these here, and I'm gonna place these ones here on the side so that they're closer to the Swarovski crystals. I might bring my green ones over here as well, actually, just so I can keep all of the pinks in one spot. I think that would be a good idea. So I'm gonna put my greens over here. I think I'll just do it like that. And here we go, like that. And then I'll put my pinks over here somehow. I'll have to organize better. Something like that. Alrighty. So that's that one. This one's a little cracked there, but that's okay. As long as I'm able to stack them like this in my drawer to save space, then everything is good. Just like that. So yeah, that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there are any glitter places that you guys like to shop at, let me know in the comments, because I want to get some of the other kinds that are like have like different types of shapes in them. But at the same time, I feel like this is good enough to play and practice for now. But still, leave me your suggestions down below in the comments so I can keep an eye out and kind of start like a little wish list. As I get better, I can spend more money on this. But for now, I'm just trying to use what I have. I did spend money on the Swarovski crystals because I just wanted to get the shiny stones instead of just like regular rhinestones. So yeah. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!